Hi everyone, it's me, Leigh, with Victorian Dreams by Leigh. You won't believe what Amazon has. Can you believe this? This is a junk journal scrapbook cutouts. Junk journal and scrapbook cutouts. Pink Christmas from Modernistic Print Shop. Remember the Etsy shop I was talking about? They're on Amazon. So let's go through this. It's beautiful. It's a full book to use. So look, guys, it was printed in the USA in Texas 2 days ago on the 17th. Okay, let's go through this. And if you have Prime or if your neighbor has Prime, it's free shipping. $13.99. You go hand your neighbor $14 and say, get me this for free shipping if you don't. Everyone has Amazon Prime though, but you know someone that does. Okay, so this is heavy cardstock. And for the ones that have messaged me for years, I don't have a printer, I wish I could do that, how can I go somewhere? And I always say, well, go to a print shop maybe and see if they'll do it. And then they say they won't do it because it's copyrighted. Here's the way to go, because this company produced it, and I will definitely give you the link down below. I am in love with this. Okay, so you get this first page. Put a belly band here or a pocket. You can use this page. It's all usable. The back page, it's a collage page. Put a belly band here or just cover this part up, which you would kind of want to maybe cover this little bit, but put a belly band here. It's usable. Cut it. Use it. Don't waste this. Okay. So, and I texted Modernistic Print Shop, and they're going to put more out. This is their first book, but they're going to put more out. They're going to have more different books. So let's go through it. So here's their first page, and I'm going to raise it. So if you have one of those phones that you want to buy it, you get it in 2 days and we can craft together. So then they write, please do whatever you would like with this. We want you to enjoy it. ATC cards. Let your adventure go wild. It says tag us, and they will put it on their channel. So let's turn it this way just a little. So this is 8.5 by 11. But when you open it, it's going to be 8.5 by 5.5 because there's 12 junk journal pages. You just score down the middle. This is 5.5 and 5.5, so it makes 11 by 8.5. If I were you, though, because this book is well made and it is tightly made, I would use one of these type of knives to cut in it, because it is such a good book. It's a real book. It's not like a magazine. It's a book. See? Look how thick. I would not tear it because it's going to rip. Okay? So, 12 beautiful images, and you just score right down the middle. And then on the flip side is more of a muted journaling, or where you want to put different stuff. You can write on it and everything. This is a beautiful, shiny, not real glossy, but you can still write on it. So I don't want to think, oh, why should I get that because I'm not going to be able to journal. Yes, you are. So now let me show you how beautiful. Isn't it beautiful? Oh. And then there's the back side. And you just score down the middle and you have a project. Okay, you don't want to make a journal. You want to make an album. Cut it right down the middle. Here's one page. Here's another page. There's 12 images. So that could be 12 pages. That's a big junk journal or an album. So there's that one. I don't know if I showed you. I'm so excited that I just got this, and I'm making a video on Sunday. I never make a video on Sunday. Look at this. Look at that. And then look. Oh my gosh. Oh my gosh. You're thinking, I don't have a printer. I can't do this. It doesn't have to be a junk journal. It can be an album. It could be Christmas cards. Here's your Christmas cards. Score this down. You can trim it a little bit here and a little bit there, or keep it that size. And then if this is the inside, you can still put so much sentiments and writing in here. This is your Christmas cards. There you go. Wait until you see the fussy cutting. Oh. And it's professional, and it feels professional, and it looks professional. So if you send this out as Christmas cards, oh, you're winning. This is just beautiful. The colors are just, I'm sorry, my camera's not doing it good enough. Look, look, look. Oh my gosh. And then there is the back. It's the vintage pink Christmas. Oh, look. Look, guys. I have seen books on Amazon before, and they're 5 pages, and there's one image here, and one image here, and one here, and then you fussy cut. This is a whole craft book ready for you to go do. Done. Look. Oh my gosh. I don't think I've been this excited in a long time. This is like Christmas morning. It is just beautiful. Look at those pages. Look at that. Look how beautiful. So it's 12 beautiful images, and on the back side is a more muted, and the pink roses on here. Okay, so now let's turn it this way. This is one page of note cards, and there's 6 pictures. And isn't that gorgeous? The lighting, I always have trouble lighting, and plus it's raining. So then there is the back page. I never, when I make my note cards, this is white. I don't ink it because I save on ink. So there you go. Your cards are going to look better. Okay, you don't want them single. Don't do them single. Cut this out, score down the middle. You have a little note card. Little note cards. Or just little cards. Index cards. Okay, so then there's one page of words, and it's all Christmassy. Comfort and joy, fa la la, bah humbug, let it snow, peace, hope, believe, joy, ho ho ho, by the fire, trim the tree, so much, so much. And then there's the back page. Isn't that gorgeous? So then there is 3 pages, 3 of tags. Look at that. That heart is really pretty. All of it's pretty. Oh, the globe. Look at that globe. Oh my Lord. Okay. And then here's some more tags. You know that viral pink nutcracker right there? Well, it's on this page. And these are like tags or tickets. That's beautiful. Then there's the back. Then there's 2 pages of vintage pictures. Because if you don't want it to be all that kind of, it's true vintage, where it looks sepia pink. If that makes sense. And then there is a light pink. Then here is some more vintage. Then there's 2 pages of pockets. And all you do is score on this one all the way around and then put the glue, and it tells you. So this is like a fussy, this is like a tuck spot, a tuck spot pocket for the corners, and then there's regular pockets and it fits the layout. So your work is really, you know, if you've never made a junk journal, this is where you need to begin. You don't know how and which direction to print. You don't have all the supplies. Everything is in this kit. We could buy it half price on her Etsy, but guess what? We got to print it. We don't have everything. It's all right here. It is all right here. Here's the next page. Look at that. Oh, look at that. Isn't that beautiful? There's the next page. Look at those images. Now the fussy cutting. Oh my Lord. 4 pages of fussy cutting. 4. I love how it's got the white right here, so you don't have to go and try to cut out all those little hairs and everything. This is the best fussy cutting to me. I struggle with fussy cutting, and I've been crafting over 30 years and taught classes. This is wonderful. I love it when it's like that. She didn't waste any space. There's enough space to get around it, and there is so much stuff. This is the best book I've ever had. Look at that. Look. Oh my Lord. I tell you what, that could go on your tree. Oh. We're still on the fussy cutting. Look at that. Oh, this could go on your tree. That looks real. And if it looks real, it's popping. Here's another fussy cut. Can you imagine? You can make cards, and this could be your card. This could be just a card. Put it on a card, measure this out, and make your card a little bit bigger, and put this on there. Add something, add one of the bows. This doesn't have to be just a journal. This card, and then this pop dotted, there you have your Christmas card. Oh my Lord. This one, all of these. Oh my Lord, there's so much you could do. And then there's the back. And then it has just 2 extra sheets that are in it. So guys, I have no words. It's just beautiful. So the link will be down below. So go look for Modernistic Print Shop, and it's called Pink Christmas Junk Journal and Scrapbook Cutouts. I will put the link down below. Grab it today. You'll have it in 2 days. We'll be crafting together. Yes, I bought the images and made a junk journal. It's possible. I added lace. This with lace. So guys, go grab yours now. I'm just so blessed to have this. It's beautiful. Have a blessed day.